Children, do you remember like fractions? What are like fractions? They are fractions with the same denominator. Do you know we can add and subtract these like fractions? How will you add? By adding the numerator and the denominator remains the same. It remains unchanged. We only add the numerator. Today we will study addition of mixed fraction or mixed numbers with like fractions. All of you listen here. Look here, our first example is 2 and 1 by 4 and 3 and 1 by 4. Add these fractions. How will you add this fraction? There is an easy method. First of all, we have to separate this fraction. 2 and 1 by 4 plus 3 and 1 by 4 equal to 2 plus 1 by 4. We can write the 2 and 1 by 4 means 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 1 by 4. We can write like this. Then we can add the whole numbers together. These are the whole numbers. These are the like fraction. First add these whole numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 plus 1. I already told you that. How will you add a like fraction? Add the numerator only. Plus 2 by 4. How will you add this? This means 5 plus 2 by 4 means 5 and 2 by 4. Always write like this only. This is a whole number and this is a fraction. So, like this, first of all, separate this as 2 plus 1 by 4 and 3 plus 1 by 4. Then add the whole numbers. Then add the fractions, like fractions. Then look into one more example. Look into another question. 5 and 1 by 8 plus 3 and 1 by 8. How will you add? First of all, write this as 5 plus 1 by 8 plus 3 plus 1 by 8. That is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. That is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. We are only adding the numerator. Denominator remains the same. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 8. That is equal to 8 and 2 by 8. Now, if we want, we can once again we can make this into the simpler form by dividing. We know that equivalent fraction, by dividing this with this both have both the numerator and denominator with the 2. As it is an even number, we can divide both this numerator and denominator of this fraction with the 2. Thus, we can simplify this fraction as 8 and 2 by 8 divided by 2 by 2. That is equal to 8 and 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. If you want this, so this is correct. If you want, you can simplify this fraction as 8 and 1 by 4. This is also correct. If you don't know, then leave it. Leave that part. Okay. How you will add this mixed like fractions? First of all, add the whole number part and then the like fractions. only we add the numerator of the like fraction. Thus, we will get the answer. Then look into one more example. Look into the fraction. This is the third question. Add 10 and 4 by 12 and 3 and 3 by 12. How will you write this? First of all, 10 and 4 by 12 plus 3 and 3 by 12. First of all, write the question. That is equal to 10 plus 4 by 12 plus 3 plus 3 by 12. That is equal to, then what will you do? What will you do? First of all, add this whole number part. Which are the whole number here? 10 plus 3. Then add the like fractions part. 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12. That is equal to 10 plus 3. We know that it is 13. Plus 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 12. That is equal to 13 and 7 by 12. This is the answer. This is the answer. 13 and 7 by 12 is the answer. We add the whole number parts, then add the like fraction parts. Whole number part plus whole number give 13. Then when we add these like fractions, add only the numerator. Numerator 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 12. So combining this whole number and a fraction, we get 13 and 7 by 12. This is the answer. Then look into one more example. Look at the fourth question. Add 3 and 1 by 5 and 4 and 2 by 5. First of all, write down the question. 3 and 1 by 5 plus 4 and 2 by 5 equal to, how will you write down? 3 plus 1 by 5 plus 4 plus 2 by 5. That is equal to, how will you add? First of all, add the whole number parts. 3 plus 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. That is equal to 3 plus 4. We know that it is equal to 7. Plus adding the numerator. We have to add the numerator. So we are writing these fractional parts together. 1 plus 2 is 3. We know that it is 3. We are not adding the denominator. The denominator remains unchanged. 3 by 5. That is equal to, what is the answer? 7 and 3 by 5 is the answer. Look into one more question. Look into the question. Add fifth question. Add 7 and 2 by 6 and 1 and 3 by 6. First of all, we write the question. 7 and 2 by 6. This is addition. So we put plus and 1 and 3 by 6. Then put equal to, write down. We have to split this. 7 and 2 by 6 means 7 plus 2 by 6 plus 1 and 3 by 6 means 1 plus 3 by 6. 1 plus 3 by 6. That is equal to, first of all, adding the whole number part, then the fractional part, like fractional part. 7 plus 1 plus 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. That is equal to 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus, then adding the fractional parts. For adding the fractional parts, we are adding only the numerator. As it is the like fraction, we are adding only the numerator parts. 2 plus 3 gives 5 by 6. So the answer is Answer is 8 and 5 by 6. This is how to add mixed numbers of like fractions. Children, so I hope now you learn how to add mixed fractions of a like fraction. First of all, add the whole number part, then add the fractional part. For the fractional part, add only the numerator. The denominator remains unchanged. You will get another mixed fraction. Thus you will get the answer. So all of you do your homework your own.